YouTube? Back at it again with another one, man. LouKang, LouKang's Kickx, man. Coming back with an unboxing today for y'all.
88 Chicago Stadium NBA All-Star Weekend Slam Dunk Competition. And what LeBron is missing out by not competing in the Slam Dunk contest, Jordan capitalized on those iconic images that keep him young forever and will also sell those shoes forever.
For sure. Maybe LeBron just needs some competition, someone to go dunk for dunk with, to bring out the best in him. MJ had that on that February 9th. His name, Dominique Wilkins. The best slam dunk contest ever.
There it is.
Here we go.
I like the music, too.
I do. That takes you back, don't it?
It does.
Michael Jordan, your defending champ from the '87 dunk contest in Seattle. Oh, and there he goes. Baseline, the reverse. 47.
Okay, I'll take the Neek dunks, and he just goes 360 tomahawk hard. And look at that. Again, these beautiful slow-mo camera shots. LeBron, this is why you have to dunk. So Wilkins beat Jordan the first round. All right, both advance to semis.
Yeah, wipe the slates clean. Jordan eyeing the free throw line. Some inspiration from an NBA icon.
Oh. I found the guy who started it all. Dr. J was sitting over there. He was looking at me, and he pointed, like going back and do the free throw line.
So he did that like spur of the moment. This wasn't a planned thing like it is now. He just went back and did his thing.
Man, it's been just a little while. Like, I know I dropped a couple other videos, but like, as far as an unboxing one, it's been a little minute, man. Of like, oh my God, I miss it, man. Like, I would wait to do this until like tomorrow or something. Like, nah, I ordered them. They came so fast. I have to show them to y'all. You know what I mean? I have to show them to y'all. Like, I'm almost like this is so soon. Like, it's almost early. It's not early, but it's almost early because it's like they just dropped a couple days ago. All right. So, but before we get into this video, man, if y'all please just bam, bam, press that button right there. Just press it for your boy. All right. Because I got dope content. I come with some heat every time, man. And, you know, I'm trying to get better and better. I'm trying to get shoes to y'all earlier and earlier, give y'all more tips, give y'all more, you know, sneaker knowledge, just to be dope, just to be great. All right. You know, we just want to be great up over here. It's LouKang, LouKang's Kickx, man. Let's go ahead and get these things open. All right. Woo. Here we go. Caught from the sneakers app on this one. All right. The reason I'm doing this too so quick like that is just I just can't wait to see what they look like. Make sure I got some edges. This one. Ooh. Whoa, we got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. We got a problem, bro. You know why we got a problem? Because they sent me the other box, though, bro. This is out of pocket. Sneakers app. What are y'all doing? What's going on over there at Nike, bro? Y'all out of pocket, man. What's wrong? I'm finna have to call and fuss at y'all, and it's finna be a problem. Anyway, okay. All right. Y'all can tell how I feel about this right now. This is not supposed to be the box that these are in. Once y'all see what these is, see what these is and see what they are, you guys are gonna know for sure that I got played on my box. I'm not finna have that. No. Anyway, all right, let's get this thing. You know, it could just be the wrong shoe, like, all together. Like, it happens sometimes. Let's get them open, though. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Damn, box right there. That's it. No, it's actually the right shoe. I can see, but they definitely sent me the wrong box out of pocket. All right, bam. So what we got? Air Jordan Retro 3. Animal Instinct 2.0, okay? So let's see what they're looking like. Already, very nice shoe, okay? Very nice shoe, very well put together, you know what I mean? It's just that, ooh, okay? Very hard, very nice, all right? Let's get these close up. Let's get these a little bit closer so we can see them. So we got some snake skin on the front right there, okay? Looks like we got crocodile, we got some alligator. We got a whole lots of different type of prints going on right there, right now. We got the extra pair of laces right here. We got us a red pair of laces, okay? And we also got us a yellow pair of laces. All right, satin on the tongue, What does that say on the tongue right there? Let's see if we can get that on the camera right there, okay? See if y'all can see that. It says Instinct 2. See that right there? Yeah. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. Yo, so it's a hard shoe. It's a very hard shoe. You know, I'm a little bit disappointed about the box, though. I don't like how they did your boy like that, but it's okay. We're going to talk about, we'll holler about that a little bit later, though. You feel me? Dope shoe, though. Look at the laces, man. Like, the laces like these, this is, I don't know. This is like a leather, like, mixed with a suede or something. Like, it's hard to put my hand around exactly what that is, man. Like, basically, these laces right here, these laces is never going to tear up on you. You're never going to, like, have these, like, rip or bust or nothing like that. Like, they're made out of, like, such a durable material. Like, it's just not going to happen. But, you know, yeah, man, you know, I'm a little bit salty right now. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little bit salty that my box is not on point like that. And these is the SEs. Like, I paid $250 for these. These is not the regular joints. Like, they tripping with me on the box. Nike, what are y'all doing? I'm finna call y'all. Y'all got to hook me up. We got to talk. All right? Look, clean shoe, though. All right? Animal Instinct Retro 3 2.0s. Doesn't look anything like those other ones. I'm sorry, y'all. They was okay, but I couldn't wear those. Right there. Can't do that. All right? So, until next time, man, y'all please keep rocking with the kid, man. Please keep subscribing. Please keep liking, man. Leave me a comment, man. Tell me what y'all think about these. And, you know what's next. We got them Retro 14s coming up with the red on them. All right? Y'all see those right there? Yo, man. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all time, man. Y'all keep rocking with the kid, man. LouKang, LouKang's